Hey, it's Heather Michet with Iris Healing Arts, coming to you on spring equinox day of 2021. Happy spring, everyone. These garlic bulbs are certainly talking about spring. I just wanted to show you what I've done with these guys. It's a great way to use garlic bulbs that have started to sprout just a little bit, right? You can still use them for cooking, but I tried this new thing that was to simply submerge the root end into water in a glass, stand them up, and the little glass beads are in there because I didn't have quite enough garlic to fill the bottom of the container, so it just helped them stay up. But now, after only 5 days, look at these babies. They are ready to plant. Now, the other cool thing that you can do is you can just snip off some of the greens and use them like a scallion on top of, salad, or you could stir fry them, but they're so nice and fresh. I am going to just go ahead and plant these, even though the optimal time for garlic planting is typically in the fall. But I'll probably leave these in the ground for a good year. And they've certainly got a great start right now, don't they? Wow. All of that, literally, they're pushing each other out of the water. The roots are. All that in just 5 days from a bare clove of garlic. Happy planting and gardening. Happy spring. May new growth abound in your life and your world and your gardens. I'd love to have you subscribe so the content of this YouTube channel can get out to more people. Be well, friends.